today's topic on the interpretation of statute paper. So I'm going to discuss with the lawmaking process, that is the legislative, executive, and the judiciary process. In India, there is a written constitution. The constitution is federal in nature. Accordingly, Parliament or any state is empowered to make laws for of India or any part of it. In the constitution, there are first union list, second state list, third concurrent list. And respect of the matters of enumerated in union list, the parliament is lawmaking authority. In the same way, in the respect of matters enumerated in the state list, any state legislature is the lawmaking authority. And third one, in respect of the matters of concurrent list, both, that is parliament and any state legislature, are empowered to make laws. Now, parliament or any state legislature consists of representatives of peoples which form a legislative organ in Indian democracy. In any democracy, law is the common will of the people. The members of the parliament or any members of the parliament or any state legislature are elected by the people, and by parliament or state legislature is a reflection of the common mind of the people. In constitution, executive organ of the government is separated from legislature and judicial. Executive organ of the government consists of councils of ministers, prime ministers, and president of India as an executive head of the government. The function of executive organ of the government is to run day-to-day administration of the government. However, parliament of any state legislature may empower the executive to make the subordinate legislation, rules, regulations, etc. by making enabling provisions in parentheses. Therefore, any subordinate legislation, rules, regulations made by executive organ of the government under delegated power is called as delegated legislation. Constitution also empowers President of India or Governor of any state to promulgate ordinance. It is also executive legislation. In India, the English practice of the precedent is accepted. Accordingly, a rule of law interpreted is declared by the superior court in binding on subordinate courts. It is also called as judge-made law. The parliament is basically legislature, that is law-making body. Therefore, any proposed law is introduced in the parliament as a bill. After the bill is passed by the parliament and receives the presidential assent, it becomes a law. Thank you very much.